it is an absolute mess. Hey guys, welcome back to Mk2 Restoration. In this video, we're going to continue working on the Datsun 260Z. Now, we saw in that last video where we started cleaning up this side of the engine bay, this inner wheel arch, where we started taking that absolute disaster of a chassis rail apart. We made some new parts as well. Well, in this video, we're going to continue cleaning up this chassis rail, hopefully get these bits welded in and continue further back towards the bulkhead. So, let's grab some tools and let's crack on. Right, before I actually tackle this absolute amalgamation of disgustingness behind me, I do want to tack these in. The reason for tacking them in is because I want to keep a little bit of the structural rigidity of this before I start cutting all of this situation out behind me, which it all does need cutting out. So I've got another L piece to make just in this corner. I've got to clean all this up, I've got to clean all this bottom section up, and I've also got that bracket to pop back on as well on the new piece from the old piece. So I've got to clean that up, take it off the old piece, pop it onto the new piece, and then I can weld, I can spot that back on.
love those nights beneath the window frame. Wait for me, I'm not far behind. I know that I can change. Remembering all of those nights beneath the window frame. Don't know why we keep going round and round in the same place. Can't decide to live my life on the ground or in outer space. Ground or in outer space. Keep me waiting for you, keep me waiting for you. Leave with me to the stars above. I think I'm ready for you. To the stars above. I think I'm ready for nights beneath the window frame. Nights beneath the window frame.
Oh dear. Well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've got this front chassis rail and this front nose cone section all complete. Catch in our next video where we're going to cut everything out. We're just going to cut all of this out. We're going to cut the floor pan out. We're going to cut all this section underneath here out. We're going to cut the top of this chassis rail out, because as you just saw, it is an absolute mess. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click your bell notification so it notifies you whenever we drop an upload. And with that being said, we'll catch you in the next one.